Today you will learn how to simplify expressions with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here we see a simple expression 2 times 9. But what if our expression contained many problems? Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. There would be a special rule. So let's add some other numbers to this number sentence. 2 times 9 plus 6 divided by 2 minus 1 plus 4 times 3. And what would that equal? Well, we have to follow a certain rule. We always do multiplication and division before we do any other operation. So let's find our multiplication and division sets out of this. There's one, 2 times 9, so I'm going to underline it. You could also put it in parentheses. Okay, that's another way to do it. 6 divided by 2, 4 times 3. Okay, we're going to work each of these first. So 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, we'll just bring down that plus sign. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And we're going to bring down that minus sign and the 1 because we haven't done it yet. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And we're bringing down that plus sign. Okay. Now we're ready to just work left to right, okay, because we've done all of the multiplication and division problems out of the whole set. So 18 plus 3 gives you 21 minus 1 plus 12. Okay, we'll see what that equals. 21 minus 1 is 20 plus 12 equals 32. And you could also write that over to the side up and down if you needed to, okay? All right, so that is the way we come up with the answer to a problem when it has multiple operations in it, okay? All right, so now we're going to do a different problem. And this time I'm going to do the same thing, except I'm going to put parentheses around instead of underlining. Either way is fine. You'll come up with the same answer. So let's do a different problem. Let's do 3 times 7 minus 2 times 6 plus 24 divided by 8. And let's see what we get. Remember that first we have to find anything that's multiplication or division. Okay, so I see 3 times 7, that's multiplication. I see 2 times 6, that's also multiplication. I see 24 divided by 8, that's also multiplication. So this problem doesn't have any division, any addition, or subtraction on its own, okay? So we're going to just work the problem left to right. Here we go. 3 times 7 is 21. Pull down your minus sign. 2 times 6 is 12. Pull down your plus sign. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Okay, and now we have left to right. We just work left to right. So 21 minus 12. Okay, so 21 minus 12 is going to give you 9. Then you add on 3 more, and that's going to give you 12 total. Okay, all right. So let's work one more problem together. All right, we have 3 plus 9 divided by 3 plus 2 times 30 minus 4. Now remember, you can either underline the multiplication and division, or you can put parentheses around multiplication and division. Either way, you'll get the same answer. Okay, so I'm going to find anything division or multiplication. I see one right here, 9 divided by 3. Let's see, I see another one right here, 2 times 30. I have to work those first. So you pull down your 3, you pull down your plus, then you work anything in parentheses. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Pull down that plus. 2 times 30 is 60. Pull down that minus and that 4. And now we're ready to work left to right. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 60 minus 4. And then I have 6 plus 60 is 66 minus 4 would give me 62. Now don't forget, anything that you can't just do in your mind, you can just move over to the side and work that going up and down. Just rewrite the problem going up and down, and that will help you. You can also always do that just to check to make sure that you're right, okay?